Why did Boeing make the 747-8 longer? This is the Boeing 747-8, and it's the longest passenger aircraft ever built. Boeing stretched the fuselage to carry more passengers and cargo without designing an entirely new aircraft. By making it longer than the 747-400, they added over 5 meters of usable cabin and cargo space. More space meant better fuel efficiency per seat, lowering operating costs for airlines on long-haul routes. The stretch also made the 747-8 far more attractive to cargo airlines, where volume matters more than speed. To support the extra length, Boeing redesigned the wings and added new GEnx engines for better performance.